8 veggie-friendly recipes to lose weight. Hi, and welcome back to Healthy Bites. Looking to lose weight and incorporate more vegetables into your diet? We've got you covered. Our collection of 8 veggie-friendly recipes is perfect for helping you achieve your weight loss goals. These recipes are not only delicious, but also packed with nutrient-rich ingredients that will keep you satisfied and nourished. Get ready to embark on a flavorful and healthy journey toward a slimmer you. Number 1. Strawberry, spinach, and quinoa salad. 290 calories. This salad combines the sweetness of strawberries, the freshness of spinach, and the protein-packed quinoa, creating a satisfying and low-calorie meal option. This salad is packed with nutrients and offers a range of health benefits. Spinach is rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, while strawberries provide a good dose of vitamin C and dietary fiber. Quinoa is a complete source of protein, making it ideal for vegetarians. The combination of these ingredients creates a satisfying and filling salad that can help with weight loss. Here are the specific ingredients for strawberry, spinach, and quinoa salad. 2 cups baby spinach, 1 cup quinoa, 1 cup sliced strawberries, 1/4 cup sliced almonds, 2 tablespoons crumbled feta cheese, balsamic vinaigrette, dressing to taste. To prepare the strawberry, spinach, and quinoa salad, here is the process. Number 2. Chickpea salad, 300 calories. This salad features protein-rich chickpeas, fresh vegetables, and a flavorful dressing, providing a satisfying and low-calorie meal option. Chickpeas are a great source of plant-based protein and fiber, which help keep you full and satisfied. The combination of vegetables adds freshness and a variety of vitamins and minerals to the salad. The lemon juice and olive oil dressing add a tangy and delicious flavor. Here are the specific ingredients for chickpea salad. 1 can 15 ounces chickpeas drained and rinsed, 1 cup diced cucumber, 1 cup diced tomatoes, 1/2 cup diced red onions, 1/4 cup chopped fresh parsley, juice of 1 lemon, 2 tablespoons extra virgin olive oil, salt and pepper to taste. To prepare the chickpea salad, here is the process. Number 3. Veggie wrap, 260 calories. This wrap is filled with an assortment of fresh vegetables, providing a satisfying and low-calorie meal option. Optional feta cheese, olives, or other desired toppings. Veggie wrap is an excellent choice for weight loss, as it is low in calories and packed with essential nutrients. The combination of vegetables provides a variety of vitamins, minerals, and dietary fiber, which help you keep full and support overall health. Here are the specific ingredients for veggie wrap. 1 whole wheat tortilla or wrap, 1/4 cup hummus, 1/2 cup mixed vegetables, 1/4 cup sliced avocado. To prepare the veggie wrap, here is the process. Hey guys, can you do me a big favor and give that like button some love? It would mean the world to me and help supporting the channel. While you're down there, why not hit subscribe too? Alright, let's go back to the number 4 food recipe. Number 4. Broccoli pesto penne recipe, 310 calories. This dish features nutrient-rich broccoli and a homemade pesto sauce made with fresh herbs, garlic, and olive oil. Broccoli pesto penne is a great choice for weight loss, as it incorporates nutritious ingredients and is relatively low in calories. Broccoli is cruciferous vegetables that is rich in fiber, vitamins, and minerals, while the pesto sauce adds a burst of flavor without being heavy on calories. Here are the specific ingredients for broccoli pesto penne. 2 cups broccoli florets, 2 cups cooked whole wheat penne pasta, 1/4 cup fresh basil leaves, 1/4 cup fresh parsley leaves, 2 cloves garlic, 1/4 cup grated Parmesan cheese, 2 tablespoons pine nuts, 2 tablespoons extra virgin olive oil, salt and pepper to taste. To prepare the broccoli pasta penne, here is the process. Number 5. Chili recipe, 200 calories. Chili is a hearty and nutritious vegetarian recipe that is perfect for weight loss. It is packed with plant-based protein, fiber, and a variety of vegetables, making it a satisfying and low-calorie option. Chili is an excellent choice for weight loss because it is high in fiber, which helps you keep feeling full and satisfied. It also is a great source of plant-based protein from the beans, which can support muscle maintenance and aid in weight loss. Here are the specific ingredients for chili. 1 can 15 ounces kidney beans, rinsed and drained. 1 can 15 ounces of black beans, rinsed and drained. 1 can 15 ounces diced tomatoes. 1 cup vegetable broth. 1 onion diced. 2 cloves garlic minced. 1 bell pepper diced. 1 zucchini diced. 1 cup corn kernels, fresh or frozen. 1 tablespoon chili powder. 1 teaspoon cumin. 1/2 teaspoon paprika. Salt and pepper to taste. To prepare the chili, here is the process. Number 6. Zucchini noodles with pesto, 250 calories. This recipe features zucchini noodles paired with a flavorful homemade pasta sauce. Zucchini noodles are a low-calorie alternative to traditional pasta, and they are rich in vitamins and minerals. The pasta sauce is made with fresh basil, nuts, and olive oil, providing healthy fats and a burst of flavor. Here are the specific ingredients for zucchini noodles with pesto. 2 medium zucchini spiralized into noodles. 1/4 cup fresh basil leaves. 2 tablespoons pine nuts or walnuts. 2 cloves garlic. 2 tablespoons grated Parmesan cheese. 2 tablespoons extra virgin olive oil. Salt and pepper to taste. And cherry tomatoes for garnish. To prepare the zucchini noodles with pesto, here is the process. Number 7. Cauliflower rice stir-fry, 220 calories. This recipe features cauliflower rice as a low-carb and low-calorie alternative to traditional rice. Cauliflower is rich in fiber and vitamins, making it a great choice for weight loss. The stir-fry includes a variety of colorful vegetables and a flavorful sauce for a satisfying and nutrient-packed meal. Here are the specific ingredients for cauliflower rice stir-fry. 2 cups cauliflower rice, 1 cup mixed vegetables, 2 tablespoons low-sodium soy sauce or tamari, 1 tablespoon sesame oil, 1 teaspoon grated ginger, 1 clove garlic minced, sesame seeds for garnish, chopped green onions for garnish. To prepare cauliflower rice stir-fry, here is the process. Number 8. Stuffed bell peppers, 280 calories. Stuffed bell peppers are a satisfying and nutritious dish that is perfect for weight loss. Bell peppers are low in calories and provide a variety of vitamins and antioxidants. The filling is made with a mixture of quinoa, black beans, vegetables, and spices, creating a protein-rich and flavorful combination. Here are the specific ingredients for stuffed bell peppers. 4 large bell peppers, tops cut off and seeds removed. 1 cup cooked quinoa. 1 cup black beans drained and rinsed. 1 cup diced tomatoes. 1/2 cup diced onion. 1/2 cup diced zucchini. 1/2 cup corn kernels. 1 teaspoon chili powder. 1/2 teaspoon cumin. Salt and pepper to taste. 1/4 cup shredded cheese for optional for topping. To prepare stuffed bell peppers, here is the process. And that concludes our list of 8 veggie-friendly recipes to lose weight. Do you happen to know any veggie-friendly recipes that we haven't listed? Feel free to drop them in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell. This way, you'll be always in the loop when it comes to most delicious and nutritious foods out there. That's all for now. Bye!